Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, but I'm back and I stand just in front of Paddington railway station and there is a reason for that. This is going to be a fairly short video, but there is a big change that happened for all people who want to travel from Paddington to Heathrow Airport and back using the Heathrow Express. Some time ago, Heathrow Express, by the looks of it, has decided to phase out their cheapest single advance tickets you could in the past buy for just £5.50 from Paddington to Heathrow and back, and it would be even cheaper with the railcard discount under £4. And they have decided to scrap those fares. Those tickets used to be available at least 3 months before your travel date, so you should have booked at least 3 months in advance. And I looked for a train in about 3 months' time, a bit more, and I found no such tickets available. Instead, what they have now is a ticket called Express Saver Ticket, which costs 3 times more, almost 3 times more. You can now buy a ticket for £15 one way. However, now you have to buy this ticket. You can buy this ticket at least 7 weeks in advance, not 3 months in advance, which I guess is a positive thing. But at the same time, the cheap £5.50 tickets have been completely phased out. I'm going to show you on the screen now how I tried to pre-book a ticket and I saw no ticket available for £5.50, and in my case it would be even cheaper. I think £3.90 or something for a ticket with the railcard discount, and I found a ticket only for £15 or just under £10 with the railcard discount. So this change has happened now. That's why be aware of it. When you book the Heathrow Express, the return ticket price is exactly the price of 2 single tickets, so there is no real need to buy a return ticket unless you really need to. You can buy 2 single tickets. It will the total cost is going to be exactly the same. I'm now going to go to the ticket machines at Paddington Station and we'll try to buy a ticket for a future date, or at least I'll try and see where we are. So I'm here at the ticket machine now, and yeah, it's a GWR ticket machine, but you also can buy tickets for the Heathrow Express, and you see that the ticket available at any time return is available for £37 in total at the moment. So let's try to buy a single ticket. Heathrow rail station, one way, anytime day single, not Heathrow Express. So this is the Elizabeth Line ticket for £12.30, and the Heathrow Express ticket is available only for £25. If I choose a different date, is it even possible to do it this way? I'm not too sure. Heathrow Rail, one way. Let's change the date of travel. Okay, you can only buy tickets for today or tomorrow, so you have to do it completely online if you want to buy the cheaper £15 ticket at least 7 weeks in advance. I will put a quick summary for you at the end of this video with all the fares available, or the most common ways to go to Heathrow Airport from Paddington Station or from central London, and hopefully it will be helpful for you guys. But yeah, a quick update from me. Thanks guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks guys, bye.